this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Scarlet wig by Margu in the color 26GR. So before I get ahead of myself, let me just tell you, if you want to know more about this color, the 26GR by Margu, make sure you subscribe to our CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel where all of our color spotlights are now going to debut. Before I do anything else, let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Scarlet looks like on all sides. I think the hair feels very silky. It reminds me a little bit of like Noriko hair. It feels really nice on this wig. It's a little bit on the shiny side, but all you have to do is wash the wig once and usually that goes away. And I don't mind a little bit of shine, particularly on blondes, because it makes it look like you found the magic formula for not frying your hair. Especially if you're somebody like me who has naturally very dark hair. Every time I've ever tried to dye it blonde, I end up turning it into bronze-colored straw. It's not a great look. But I embrace a little bit of shine because it makes it look like, you know, I found the secret to shiny blonde hair. People don't automatically assume wig most of the time unless they know you're a wig wearer. And even then, sometimes people know I'm a wig wearer. They know that I own a couple of wig stores and that I shoot these videos all over the world, basically. Still, people who know me very well, family, friends, they'll say things like, oh, I forgot that was you. My assistant video editor has seen me in every stinking color under the rainbow at this point. And, you know, even he says stuff to the effect of like, wow, it's amazing how you change every time you try on a different, you know, color or different style. Isn't that the fun of wigs? Like, it allows you to sort of find these different facets of who you are and what looks good on you, and you get to redefine that whole thing from the ground up. And while that may seem daunting, it's something a lot of people never get the opportunity to experience, for better or for worse. Anyway, let me just show you this. This is basically the really long version of their Fiona, if you're familiar with their Fiona wig. Just beautiful layering, gently cups the face here. It will give great frame if you have a round face. Also, it doesn't have a lot of poof or volume here, which will also be really great for a round face. She gently flares out here at the bottoms, and it rests very gracefully right on top of the shoulders. This has very slick, sleek hair with very light density and a very low profile right here in the back. She also has a lace front. This is a great blonde, by the way. The rooting is a nice, soft, light to medium brown. It isn't like a really harsh, dark brown. Also has beautiful monofilament features on top. Let me go ahead and take this one off so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Scarlet has a hand-tied monofilament top, so she has multi-directional parting. That also helps give her that really nice low profile and light density appearance. Also really nice deep lace front here. It is a contoured, pre-cut light lace front, and it's beautifully done. You can see that it kind of goes from being really light and sparse up here at the front to a little bit thicker as you progress towards the monofilament. There is a seam here, and that seam is covered with a little bit of polyurethane to aid with grip. We've got closed felt, slightly under knotted ear tabs. We have an extended open nape with a Velcro adjuster here in the back, and she's relatively stretchy, but she's not as stretchy as something that would have a completely open cap, for example. Let me show you what the top of Scarlet looks like now. It's really nice. I mean, it's only a single mono top, but that's pretty good. And you get ample amounts of hair on here. If I show light through that mono top, you can see that's pretty thick up there. Here is that layering. It's really soft, very subtle, gently curves away from the face, and then gently curves under in the back. This one fits true to average, so it's a little snug on me. I have an average large cap circumference, so this is a little bit on the tight side, which means it's probably gonna fit most people pretty nicely. And do you notice I didn't really have to do anything aside from put her in place, and the wig more or less styled itself, which is not something you're always gonna get with a straight style. Usually they require a little bit of playing around. This one is just cut really well. This is the Scarlet from Henry Margu in the color 26GH, which I also highly recommend. Again, check out our CysterWigs 2 YouTube channel if you would like to hear more about this 26GR. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.